This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, GenoPure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.
(2017) Subaru STI. Still got all the stock catalytic converters, turbo. Got two stock catalytic converters. We kept the resonator on it. Did a muffler delete and twin blue flame tips. There's a muffler delete on it right there. One here and one here. There's the two mufflers that we cut off. They come stock on the STI. There's the new blue flame tips. They look really beautiful, pretty. And that's where the muffler delete was. Done. And it comes factory Y pipe. There it is. 2017 Subaru STI all-wheel drive. Muffler delete. Stick shift. The blue flame tips look really good on it. Burnt tips. Just complete the look of it.